Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $666.70, guys. Oh my goodness. And how can you make this kind of money online? You can. I'm going to show you. Let's get started right now. Alright guys, so how can you earn $666.70 online like this? First, you need to go to Warrior Plus, guys, okay? You're going to type this in and you're going to click Warrior Plus and you're going to get to this home page here where this is an affiliate network, guys, okay? It has a bunch of affiliate products in there for you to promote, and they are digital products, okay? Now, a lot of affiliates who wants to do affiliate marketing come to sites like this to find products to promote. And I'm going to give you a little step-by-step tutorial on how to do this right so you can make some money, guys, okay? So first, you just need to sign up for free. Pressing this button here in the middle, okay? And then once you sign up, then you're going to get inside. So once you're in here and logged in, you are going to go to affiliate and you're going to go to offers. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to get to see everything that is available for you to promote as of this moment. And so how does this dashboard work? Okay, you're going to look at these columns here, okay? So you have the offer, you have the release date, you have the sales, and you got conversion rates. And you have visitor value, so how much they're worth to you per visitor to come to your offer. And this is the average sale column. So this column is very important, and so is the refund rate. And this heartbeat is pretty important as well. This is the pulse rate of the product. So basically, the higher the better. So it just means like a lot of people are buying, a lot of people are promoting as a hot item. Okay, so this one, like this first one that's listed, I guess this blue one is a sponsored listing. And so this first one is most popular right now, I guess, because this just got released not long ago and it's already sold more than 2,000 units of this item, guys. And the refund rate is very low, so that is very good. But again, I mean, this is very new, so I mean, you could wait 2 weeks and see how that goes. As you can see, some of these products go 9% and 5% and so forth, okay? So in this first product, if you click into it, you're going to get to the product page, okay? And what you want to look at for product pages is that you want to request approval. So a lot of these products, you have to get the owner's approval before you can get the affiliate link to promote it. So you would just do that and tell them why you want to promote it and who you are, kind of thing. So it's very important to you guys to go to the sales page. So, and when you click this, it'll go to this sales page and then you can read about what this is about and kind of learn about what this product does and everything like that. And if you get really good at this, you can actually ask the owner for a copy, for a review copy of this product, and then you get access to the inside without needing to pay for it, guys, okay? Then what is the other page that you really want to look at besides the sales? So again, first you want to try that one to learn about the products, right? And then you want to go to this other page right here in the middle, this View JV page. This one's pretty important because it tells you a lot about the affiliate offer that they're giving you, okay? So if I go to the JV page, it talks about if there's any contest that's going on. So right now it's launched on December 1st. So I guess the countdown to December 1st. But there's always some kind of contest for this product, for the products that are launching on this platform. So if I go to here's the contest. So they always have some kind of contest for first 5 days. You could win these prizes for whoever is winning, whoever makes the most sales, basically, okay? So you just kind of, basically, you got to learn about these products, and then what you're going to do to promote it is do a review about it, okay? So if I go back to this page, you'll see here how much you're going to be earning, okay? So the price of the product is between these prices, the front end and maybe there's some upsells, okay? But look at the commission range, guys, okay? You could earn anywhere from $11.70 to $666.70 for this product, for this one product, guys. And why you can earn this amount is that somewhere in their sales funnel, there's a huge upsell that will earn you this money, guys, okay? So you want to check how much commissions you could earn from each of these products in here, and then figure out which products you want to promote. So whether you actually, so when you find out what the product is about and whether you think the product is good or not good, is really your opinion matters. It doesn't matter if it's good or if it's bad. Either way, if you like the product or you don't like the product, you can still request an affiliate link to the product, guys, okay? And so what you're going to do once you get an affiliate link to the product is that then now you can promote it. And how you can promote it is the best way to do it is using an affiliate website. Because what happens if you use an affiliate website and write about this product, then whoever is looking at this product to buy, they always go on Google to search DFY Profits review. And so if you wrote a review about this product, then it's going to show up when somebody's searching for this product on the internet. And so when you have your review on your affiliate website, you're going to put that affiliate link in your review. So when the person goes on Google to search for DFY Profits review, your website can show up on the search results, and they'll click on your link to read your review. And if they understand your review, they like your review, whether you give it a good review or not, and you should give your honest opinion about it, you can still have your affiliate link there, and they will still make their own decision after reading your review and what you have to say about the product. They could decide right there and then to still click on your affiliate link and go buy the product. And once they go and click your link to go buy the product, you will earn these commissions if they actually buy after clicking your link, guys, okay? And I know a lot of people will say, oh, but Grace, I don't know how to make an affiliate website. I don't know how to build websites. So hard. It is not as hard as you think, guys, okay? If I can do it, you can do it. Remember in the beginning of this video, I said, I'm from workanywherenow.com. Well, yeah, because that's my website, okay? This is my affiliate website. And I didn't know how to build it at first, guys, okay? I had to go to a place like this to learn how to build it, okay, guys? And so this is what I wanted to show you so you can start your affiliate website as well, because Wealthy Affiliate actually teaches you and specializes in teaching you how to build an affiliate website that attracts its own visitors from search engines like that, and teaches you how to get your website ranked so that when people search for a product like that, you will get shown and you get massive amounts of visitors on your website. And that's how you can make some massive amount of commissions when they click on your affiliate link and go buy the products, guys. So can you imagine if you have an affiliate website and you go on Warrior Plus and you do reviews for all of these products on here, and there are pages and pages of these, okay? Look, there are 7,000 pages or results that you can go through and write about these reviews, and you will get found on search engines if you build an affiliate website. And you know what, guys? If you use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama, to go on here so you could get my face on here so you can see that. If you use my link, guys, I offer you free coaching if you need help on the platform, okay? I am on there. I use the training to build my website, which is a success story on here. They taught me so well that I became a super affiliate. And this also is another program that you can also promote like I am right now, okay? So it's the same thing, guys, okay? You could also use Wealthy Affiliates affiliate program to also use on your affiliate website if you want to, okay? So when you have a website, that's the power, is that you are in control of what you want to promote. You can put whatever you want on there, okay, guys? And Wealthy Affiliate teaches you step by step with awesome blueprint of how to build your affiliate website properly so it gets traction in search engines, so you can get massive amounts of people on your website so they could go buy your affiliate products, guys, okay? So again, my link is workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama, and I'll also link it up here in the corner. So you just gotta hover over it and get to the links in that corner, guys. All right. I cannot wait to help you on the platform, and I hope I see you on there, guys. Again, my link is workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama. If you don't use that, you won't see my face on Wealthy Affiliates homepage, and that means that you won't get my bonuses if you don't sign up with me, guys, okay? And of course, one of those bonuses is my free coaching, guys. That's only one of my bonuses. So the other bonuses will be sent to you on your profile when you get on for free. You do get on for free at first, and then when you go upgrade to premium, you gotta upgrade to premium, guys, or else you're not serious about it. You need to learn the entire training to learn how to do this properly, guys, okay? If you do it properly, you will make a lot of money, guys, okay? A lot of money, guys, okay? Check out my profile. Go on there for free. Search Little Mama on the platform. Find my profile. Look at the money I've been making on there. Income disclaimer, my results are not typical and your results will vary. And of course, my full income disclaimer is in the video description, guys, okay? So check that out. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell, guys, so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, so get notified of when they come out, guys. All right? I'll see you on the next one. Bye!